Hello everyone. Today I want to show you about phone problem. Sometimes we face mobile phone inside so many problem. So how do we solve it? Now I want to discuss about Android mobile phone all problem masterclass. If you watch this video, you can solve any problem. So please no skip this video must be watched after you understand how to do it. Okay, so now I want to go our mobile setting inside. After we will discuss about our all function. So at first we see here connection. We click at first connection the Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi I using now, that's why you see my mobile inside Wi-Fi connection. If I off here, mobile connection will be off. After Bluetooth on off. If I need any device connected, any file transfer, so we can use this Bluetooth. Okay, three dot. After advanced setting, here you can Bluetooth advanced setting, you can watch Bluetooth control history. This is the Bluetooth control history. If you transfer any others mobile, you can watch here this history. Okay, ringtones like use your mobile phone ringtone when you are get call and connect Bluetooth device. That's allowed already. So I uh, go other setting. Use data. Use data meaning using data 2.9 MB of mobile data. So 2.9 MB we have used already. Data warning 2 GB. Okay, when 2 GB our data will be warning. Mobile data. Access the internet through your mobile network. After mobile data usage, okay, we click here and mobile data we want to watch which mobile software, how many data haven't take. Okay, Mosquito 1.17 MB, Google Play Service 0.991 MB, Facebook 601 KB, and others apps something mobile data have use and ultra data saving mode, Wi-Fi data usage, other also here. Okay, now change our other setting we want to go. Here we see mobile hotspot and tethering. So how to hotspot tethering working? Now we want to talk about this mobile hotspot. Now I want to on it. If I want mobile hotspot, my mobile data I can share others any one mobile. Okay, if you need to provide your mobile data others mobile, so you need this function must be, you come on here and on this mobile hotspot and you click here again and go inside. Now we see Android AP 589C. This is my hotspot name. Its meaning like the same as the Wi-Fi, same as the Wi-Fi, but this data take from your mobile SIM. Okay, other Android phone, this data where from take your mobile. So now your hotspot password QH004600. This is the password. If you want to change this password, click here and you can change here. Okay, any one password you can change here. After this password you give others people and you want your hotspot mobile, and other people can get your Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi mean your hotspot connection, but you must provide this password. If you no password provide, others people cannot use your hotspot. Okay, this is the hotspot function. So if you click upper the three dot after allowed all device, configure mobile hotspot, timeout setting. Here also advanced mode you can change. So at first we want to watch allowed device. Allowed device here you can adding. Okay, which device you want to give your mobile data, so you can adding here. After you see adding device name and MAC address you put here. If you can other mobile name, device name and MAC address here adding, after this mobile only can use your data, other mobile cannot. Okay, allowed device only. After you want here allowed device will be started. So next one, configure mobile hotspot. If you want to configure this mobile hotspot, so you see network name you can change your mobile network name. Hide my device. If you want to hide your device, click here. And security also WPA2 PSK you can change it. Okay, you can changing it, and password also here from sense can everything can. After I want to see now timeout setting. Timeout setting, what's meaning? Timeout setting, select how long to wait before turning off mobile hotspot when there are no connect device. Okay, it meaning you give ready more people your mobile hotspot using. After all people off ready, no use your data. How many time after off your hotspot? If you select here 20 minutes already selected. After if anybody no use your data 20 minutes after already drop your mobile data. Okay, off ready. So it is timeout system. If you click never timeout, so no timeout, no go off your mobile data. Okay, always open. This is the advanced function only. So I want to off our hotspot now and go others device. Okay, location what? If you want this location, after all people can get your mobile location high accuracy. Okay, so I don't need location setting one. Mobile network, sometime our mobile inside creating some problem meaning the mobile network all people face one time or all time. Sometime you see your mobile network no have, so how do you solve it? Okay, at first you coming this mobile network setting coming. After you network operator, here you click. Okay, you click here. After you see search network, if you search network you click. After you see how many sim network have your area inside, all sim network name coming here. If you don't have your mobile network, so you click here. Okay, after searching all mobile network, like this searching finish after you must be select any one device sim network. Okay, my place already have four sim: Grameen Phone, Robi, Teltak and Banglalink. So four network service here available. So available, if available I cannot receive. Okay, because my phone inside have only Skito Grameen sim network. So I click here Grameen only. I cannot other one because my mobile inside already Grameen sim have. That's why I click it. Okay. So network mode, I can click here. Any network mode I can select. Now my network mode already I have selected light 3G 2G auto connected. If I like 3G 2G auto connected, below also can. 3G only can, 2G only can. Okay. So already you understand how to mobile network problem is solved. After more connection I want to watch. Nearby device scanning. Nearby device scanning meaning sometime nearby if have any Wi-Fi network, your mobile automatically search it. Okay, and you can understand your nearby have mobile Wi-Fi network have. So this nearby scanning only use for this setting, only use for it. Okay, after I want to ask other setting, sound and vibration. Our mobile inside, everybody face this problem always. This problem, sound. uh, at first, sound mode meaning here sound, vibrate and mode setting. Okay, three setting available. So if we selected sound setting, always our mobile inside, if anybody calling come in the ring. Okay, ring automatically ring out. So if we vibrate mode selected, if anybody calling message, no sound coming, only vibrate. This mode only work about this function. Okay, after I have the mode meaning any sound, any vibration, anything no do your mobile. Okay, this function only use for it. After vibrate wheel ringing, what is meaning? This function meaning what? This function meaning sometime somebody calling your mobile. So calling time vibrate and ringing dual also allow. Dual function automatically one time doing. Okay, so sometime I also use it because I go bazaar, any shopping mall, there are many noise. I cannot properly listen my mobile ring. Okay, that's why I use the vibrates and ringing dual. If I know dual use, I cannot listen my sound, mobile sound. That's why my for call already is PAM ready. So I use this dual setting. Okay, after use volume key for media. Use volume key for media meaning volume key use for your media. You can control your media by mobile key. Okay, after volume you can change your volume setting. Volume at first have the ringtone. If you want to slow motion sound less, you can hear up down your ringtone, media, notification sound, system sound. You can hear loudly and slowly. Anything can hear customize. So this function most important for your sound customize. Okay, now I want to see ringtone. You can select here number one sim. I put this ringtone. Okay, over the horizon. This ringtone I have select here. If I want to another song or my mobile inside device inside any song, if I want to select. So how to? Upper you see add option, here you click. After now mobile want to allow, this is my mobile device inside audio, okay. I can hear also anyone select. So now I know like that, that's why I come on back. If you want to like this you can do. After notification sound, you can change here notification sound. You go your message, all notification sound will be same one, okay. Okay, after vibration pattern, don't disturb. If you this mode one, your mobile inside anybody cannot disturb you, okay. One time after automatically stop. So we you know on this function always off, okay. Touch sound, if you touch sound of your mobile, same you do, okay. Now touch sound on ready. If I touch my mobile screen, any writing, after all writing inside coming the sound, okay. That's why I use this setting. Screen lock sound, if I screen lock sound on, after here what happened, mobile screen off time coming sound for use for it only. Charging sound, if you want to charge your mobile, if you want to charge your mobile, you can use this you can use this setting, okay. Charging sound meaning when you charge your mobile phone, that time it will be sound, okay. Dialing keyboard tone, dialing keyboard tone also most important, because sometime we. Okay friend, now I next part my tutorial I will show you all setting, okay. Now I want to stop here. So thank you for watching my video.